welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So on this channel, I do share Christ-like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, and how you can flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. And I also share reviews, and I also share how you can actually take care of your natural hair and your body. Yes, so you're so welcome. So if you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And to my 146 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. And if you're not on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much to you. Virtue hugs to you. You are my jewels and you are my precious, precious friends. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this aloe, honey lip scrub. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So as you can see, my lips are so dry and we need to actually exfoliate. Look at that. Like they are dry, and so we need to exfoliate our lips. Yes. And I haven't actually applied anything on my lips. So we are going to use aloe sugar, brown sugar, and raw honey. So pure aloe vera is safe to use on sensitive areas where most skin products shouldn't go, like your lips and under eyes. So the idea behind using aloe for chapped lips, mostly based on aloes having healing properties. It may help several skin issues, including wounds, burns, skin dryness, and irritation. So the key is the chemical composition of aloe gel. According to research, polysaccharides and growth hormones in aloe stimulate your skin to produce new cells. This helps wounds to heal quickly. So those same polysaccharides also bind moisture to the skin wound in help and is helpful when you are dealing with chapped lips. So honey hydrates the skin, which makes it smooth, help moisturize your lips, protect cracked lips from infection. It also works as a mild exfoliator and can help remove dry, dead skin from the lips. And you have to make sure that you choose organic. Sugar is an excellent lip exfoliator. Sugar can remove dead skin. So that is how it looks like. It looks perfect, and that color is so perfect. Subscribe to our channel for more and give me a like. Yeah, so now I'm getting cosmetic pads just to clean our lips before we start, exfoliating. This is very important. This actually will help your products to work well as you do the scrub. So now I'm just using like normal water, nothing special. Yes, tap water actually. Yes, so I'm just dipping my cotton pad and then I'm going to like do a gentle scrub. Yes, very gentle actually. You shouldn't do it, be abrasive. Yes, just in circular motions, as you can see. If actually you had applied your lip gloss, lipstick, you have to make sure that you clean. Even though you don't apply, you have to make sure that you clean your lips. So now at this point we will go in with our toothbrush. You can even use your hands, but I feel that toothbrushes, they really do the job well. So either way, they do work well. So actually I'm going to use a brush and then I'll go in using my hands. Yes, so you can actually comment in the section below, dear friends, if how often do you like exfoliate your lips, and what products do you use to exfoliate your lips? Do you think exfoliating your lips is necessary? And what causes like chapped lips or dry lips? You can actually comment in the section below. So friends, like all the ingredients we use in our natural scrub, aloe honey facial scrub, I mean lip scrub, like they are all good. Like honey is perfect, sugar is perfect, and you also discover that honey actually is one of the most nature reverent skin remedies. Yes, so thanks to its antibacterial, antiseptic abilities, so it may benefit oily and chapped skin. So honey is also a natural humectant. It helps keep your lip moisturized. So at this point, I'm going in with my hands. I just want to show you too that you can use your hands to actually, exfoliate your lips, your hands or a toothbrush, and make sure that you go in circular motions. And one thing you have to note is that because there are no oil glands in the lips are prone to drying out, especially in winter and dry climates with little moisture in the air. So that is the reason why we need to keep up with exfoliating and making sure that you are drinking your water. You're not putting drying products on your lips like the menthol, like alcohols. Yes, alcohols in your lip gloss. You have to make sure that you avoid all those ingredients and make sure that you use ingredients which promotes moisture on your lips, like shea butter, Vaseline, and oils like coconut oil, macadamia oil, different kinds of oils, olive oil. They are good for the lips. And make sure that you are not breathing through your lips to avoid dry lips and licking your lips. It's not good. So now we are going in with another cotton pad. We are almost done. So you have to make sure that you clean your lips once you are done exfoliating, and remove the products gently from your lips. Make sure that you do it with love. Yeah, so now I'm getting another one. As you can see, like our lips are still looking otherwise. Yes, so make sure that you go in with another dry pad, or you can use whatever like product you use to clean your lips, like so. As you can see, like our lips look so moisturized and brightened. Have you seen that, friends? Yeah, so give this video a like and comment in the section below. So at this point now, like our lips are so clean. So now look at that, friends. That's beautiful, right? I'm so happy because my lips are so soft and moisturized. So now we are going in with our Vaseline. So you can actually follow up with whatever product you use for your lips. So Vaseline actually is perfect. It's affordable. It's easy to find. Option most grocery stores and pharmacies. So it is said to relieve dry skin, and it help wound healing, and help moisture chapped lips. Yes, so I'll also follow up with macadamia oil. So like the moment I started rubbing, like my lips were so soft and moisturized. Yes, as you can see, like the chapped lips are gone and everything is perfect. I'm so happy. So I'm going in with macadamia oil. So macadamia oil is a perfect addition to your, to this, actually, to moisturize your lip. It's perfect for moisturizing and absorbs easily, and will you'll be able to nourish and protect your lips. So that is how our lips looks like. Look at that, friends. They're so moisturized. I'm so happy, and they look so beautiful, right? Look at that. So the chapped dry lips are gone in an instant. Yes. So are you going to try out this aloe honey lip scrub? Kindly comment in the section below. Yes. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. God bless you. See you in our next video.